Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, we are experimenting with Sculpey's Mixing Colors. If you want to learn a little about mixing your own colors, I have a playlist on color recipes. And if you haven't yet, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. Sculpey recently sent me 3 souffle colors for mixing. They have magenta, cadmium yellow, and cobalt. Of course, for those who already know about color theory, these will result into a lot of colors because they are the primary colors of red, yellow, and blue. Now, let us find out what we can create with these colors. First, I am rolling out the magenta. These are fresh off the package and I had zero effort in conditioning these clay as they are still soft. I also have a standard cutter that I use to measure out my recipes. I cut 1 part of magenta. Then I bring out my cadmium yellow and cut 1 part as well. Remember to roll them out into the same thickness on your pasta roller. I already know that this will turn orange, but I was eager to find out what hue of orange. As you can see, it is a peachy kind of orange, which I actually really like. Next, we mix equal parts magenta and cobalt. This turned into a very dark violet hue. This is not exactly the kind of violet that I use, but I will try to tweak it later to transform it into a violet that will get a lot of use from me. Finally, we mix cobalt with cadmium yellow again in equal parts. This turned into a nice shade of green, which I think is my favorite from the 3 new colors that we made. Now I am placing the colors that we've mixed under the original Sculpey mixing colors that we started with. I can say with all honesty that these were very easy to mix together with very little conditioning, which is an advantage of having fresh clay. To get the colors that I normally use, which are pastel, I take out some white clay. I mix 1 part of white with half part of each of the colors that I made here. When making pastels, you really need more white, which is why I only used half of the other bolder colors. You can adjust the lightness by putting in less of the bold color or adding even more white.
That's exactly what your son wants from you.
So just by adding white clay, I came up with 6 new colors. For beginners in mixing colors, this provides a lot of options for you color-wise and is quite easy to figure out. These are how these colors combine into earrings. I really loved how the colors turned out, and it was a treat for my hands not to exert too much effort into mixing and conditioning. I hope that you enjoyed watching this short tutorial on the use of mixing colors. And I hope to see you again next week. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!